Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. Here the concentration of the citric acid is given, which is equals to 0.1 molar, and here the pK value is given, which is equals to 3. So here this is the acid. This will dissociate to form H2A negative plus H positive. So here firstly let's find out this Ka value. So pKa is equals to minus log of Ka. So from here 3 is equals to minus log of Ka. So Ka is equals to 10 raised to power minus 3, which is equals to 0.001. So now here this Ka is equals to the ratio of the concentration of the product upon the concentration of the reactant. So here let's firstly draw the ICE table for this given reaction. So here the initial concentration of acid is 0.1 molar. This is to be 0, 0. Let's change in concentration to be minus x, here to be plus x and plus x. At equilibrium changes 0.1 minus x, here to be plus x and plus x. So here this Ka is 0.001 is equals to x into x upon 0.1 minus x. So on solving this we get x is equals to 0.01, and this x, this will gives the concentration of this H positive, and pH is equals to minus log of concentration of H positive ions. So from here pH is equals to minus log of 0.01. So here we get the pH value is equals to 2. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.